guys, nandito na tayo. We're start. We just start. This is the cafe bar. For sure, maganda. So guys, we're here now in Edinburgh. So this is the station. Hi guys, we're in King's Cross Station where we are going to take the train going to Edinburgh. So time check is 7:03. Okay, so malaki pala talaga tong King's Cross with 200 years of history. So part na kami nito. Sabi nga dun sa welcome ng entrance nila, thank you for being part of their 200 years of history. Imagine this big na railway. So ito yung sasakyan namin. We book it online. Medyo pahirapan lang kasi parang hindi laging may travel to Edinburgh. So kailangan talaga i-plan ahead para makatipid din. So ito yung ticket namin. Binook namin to sa Lumo na website. Kasi yung ibang website, ang mahal. No, ito, mura for 2 person and good thing. So may QR code, diretso na kayo. Pass lang forces ako nalilito kayo. Pwede to na siya, no? So makabil lang yung train. Guys, this is our train. Red na red. It's called Liner. And so they have seats. Seat number. Station. Side. And this is our luggage. So tama yung decision namin na hindi nadalhin yung dalawa. Iniwan namin kasi andito lang ng space. So talagang you have to really plan ahead. Meron kaming storage luggage sa na mga businesses sa London sa station or pwede nyo iwan sa hotel. In our case, para makatipid, pumayag kami ng hotel na iiwan namin yung dalawa na yung malaking luggage. So guys, nag-start na yung travel namin pero madilig pa rin sa labas. It's 7 in the morning. QR code to sa lumo namin to binook. So ito yung website. So it's www.lumo.com.uk and Scotland. We're taking the train. This is the last match of the United Kingdom. This is winter kaya time check, it's actually past 8 in the morning. Pero gloomy yung weather. Dapat na kayo sabi ng mga Brits. Gloomy yung weather lang sa kanila. So guys, we're here now in Edinburgh station. Basically, we're now in Scotland. So this is the station, and that's the train we took from London all the way to Edinburgh. So this is the name of the station, Edinburgh Waverley. By the way, yung name ng train na yan, or ng train provider na yan, sorry, it's not liner. It spells LNER, and you pronounce it as announced by the train operator or train announcer. It's LNER. That's how they pronounce the name of this train provider. Here's the structure. Ito guys, sa kanilang station. And flat. So guys, look at that building. The Scotsman. I think baka ano to, no? City Art Center nakalagay sa taas. Baka Brewhemia. Kakalabas lang namin ng Edinburgh. Sabi daw ang pag-pronounce. Waverley. Yan, pero so far, ang lamig. Oops! So guys, since hindi ito sustainable kasi packet siya, no? Nag-book na lang kami ng Grab. So we're waiting for the Grab to arrive. Yung cost lang niya pag sedan, it's 5 plus na 5 pounds, no? Kapag pagka a little bit bigger, ano ba yun? SUV? Mini SUV? Okay, mga nasa 10 pounds yung babayaran, no? Coming from here, ito na yung Old Town, no? Ito na yung tourist spot. Actually, ito nakikita nyo mismo, no? Going to our hotel, which is the Stay Central Hotel. Sa likod lang nitong mga old buildings na to is the train station. No, so malapit lang talaga siya. It's just that paakyat, no, nandun pa sa side na yon, sa dulo, nandun pa sa side na yon yung hotel namin. Kaya kung hihilahin namin to ubos ang energy namin, no? So we decided to book Grab na lang. Also, just to share with you guys kanina, so habang doon kami nakaupo sa loob ng train, yung isang passenger na babae, pumunta siya sa side namin. We're basically at the right side of the train. So yung view namin yung nakikita namin sa right side. Then pumunta siya sa right side. And then while she was looking dun sa window, bigla niyang tinawag yung attention namin to tell us na yun na yung Angel of the North. So kami, clueless kami ni Marco, ano ba yung Angel of the North? So yung pala, it's an iconic structure na malaki, no, na naka-erect doon sa side na yon, sa countryside ng UK. So tourist spot na rin siya, and makikita nyo siya pagka sumasakay kayo ng train papuntang Edinburgh. So later siguro pagpabalik, we will try to take a picture of the Angel of the North, no? Probably narinig nyo na, nakita nyo na yung picture nito, itong Angel of the North. So guys, this is our hotel, the Central Stay Hotel. Ayan. Kaya lapit lang dun sa mga ilan tayo, mga less than 10 minutes, no? Yung Grab ride. So guys, this is our room for the next 2 days. Yeah, 2 days. So gusto ko tong setup ng room nila. Very modern, cozy. So this is Stay Central Hotel. So maganda yung bedding, yung arrangement, sa yung mga side table nila, the design, may TV. You have this, no? Yung parang mini pantry nyo. Of course, you have the phone. You can call them. Mabait yung mga reception kanina. Ayan. And then meron sila nito. Very rare kami makakita na ng ganito, na nag-iwan sila ng mga chocolate sa mga pinagstay namin. Normally nakikita natin yan kapag for example mga celebrity, no, or influencer, yung mga nag-stay. But obviously we're not an influencer, we're not a celebrity, so we really appreciate this, no? So yan, and of course the kettle, you know, the tea, that's good. Maganda rin yung brand, no? Ili or yeah, I think Ili yata. I think meron tayo niya sa Philippines, no? So ayan, and of course the restroom, maganda din yung restroom. Ayan, no, diba? Very spacious. Wala ng bathtub, but that's okay. Maganda naman, no? And yung view lang natin is obviously yung parking sa likuran. And that's okay. Diba? Yung parking nila talagang old din, no? Kasi cobblestone yung road. Okay, and yung mga buildings are also old. Yung Grab namin kanina, mabait din. No? And, yeah. There's also a cabinet. This is the cabinet. And the mirror, di ba? Laki ng mirror. Very good to. Kita lahat, no? Para sa outfit pagka start na. Oh, meron silang dryer. Very good. That's really good. Safe. Ayan. Ito mga valuables nyo. Pwede lagay. And here. Siyempre, ihang yung mga clothes nyo. And of course, the space is very decent. Kapag meron kayong mga luggages na malaki like this. And there's also a ref. A mini ref down below the table. No, it's not. Hindi pala mini ref to. This is a trash bin.
for what they call the rubbish. Diba? Tawag na sa trash dito sa UK, it's rubbish. Yan, very modern. Actually, maganda rin yung hallway. May lift. Hindi kami nahirapan, unlike na sa London kami pinag-stay namin. And, yeah, nice. So, ito yung aming the hallway.